कर दीजिए। Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing well. I'm Jyoti Pujani from Indian Online School, and I'm here to tell you some questions of the level 2 Olympiad grade 5. Okay, as we know that you already done with the level 1. Fine. So today I'm going to take some questions of the level 2, because what is the difference between level 1 and level 2? The difference is only the difficulty level. So today I'm here. Okay, so let me share my screen first. Okay, then I will tell you some questions of that. So are you able to see my screen, everyone? So class 5 level 2. Fine. So what is the syllabus of class 5 level 2? That's the same syllabus. Number sense, computational operations, fraction and decimals, measurements, geometry, and data handling. In geometry, there will be perimeter and area will also, we will include that. Okay. And there will be only 2 sections. Instead of level 1, there have 4 sections. There were 4 sections. What are those sections? That's for logical reasoning, then mathematical reasoning. After that, there will be everyday mathematics and achiever section. Here, there are only 2 sections, mathematics and achiever section. And in mathematics, there will be 45 questions and each question carry 1 marks. In achiever section, there will be 5 questions and each will carry 3 marks. So total is a 60. Okay. So we know that जैसे ही हम grade 4 से grade 5 पे आते हैं, थोड़ा सा हमारा level भी difficult हो जाता है. And हमारे Olympiad के अंदर भी पहले हमें 1 hour में 40 questions complete करने होते हैं. Now we have to complete 50 questions in 1 hour. Okay. So that's why we need to do fast. We have to use some tricks to do the questions. Okay. So I'm going to take some questions of the first section, mathematics. So let's read the first question. Sneha had 2,000 rupees note. She spent 3/8 of it on the dress and bought a pair of heels of 945. How much money did she have left? Okay, so what is the total money? What is total money? Total money is 2 notes of 2,000. So it means 2 into 2,000, that's a 4,000 rupees. Okay, so total money is 4,000. And she spent 3/8 of 4,000 on a dress. So that's the dress cost. 3/8 of 4,000. It means 3/8 multiplied with the 4,000. That's I will divide 500. So total will be 1,500. She spent 1,500 rupees on a dress and 945 rupees on a pair of heels. So how much she spent? If you see that, 5, 4, 4, 2, 2,445 she has spent. Okay, so how much she is left with now? So total money was 4,000. And if you will subtract the money spent by her, you will get the money which is left with her. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. Is the answer here? Yes. So your answer will be C. Got it? So next, move to next question now. 7 plus dash plus 0.026 is equal to 7.826. If you will add these two terms, beta, then you will get 7.026. If I will subtract, so I will get what is the missing here. So 0.08 point. So you will get 0.8. Okay. Otherwise, you can also do it is at the 10th position. Okay. So you can use that number. So 0.8. So now what is the value of 0.8? If after decimal, there will be 1 digit. So it means if I have to remove the decimal, I need to put 10 as a denominator. Fine. Because after decimal, there is a 1 digit. If after decimal, let's suppose there will be 2 digits. So what will you do? You will write as a 8/100. If you have after decimal, you have, let's suppose 3 digits. So you can write as a 234/1000. Okay. So 8/10. Can you see 8/10 here? No. So what I have to do? So we can also change into reduced form. So I will divide with that. Both come in the table of 2. So I will divide with the 2. So I will get 4 by 5. Is 4 by 5 here? Yes. So your answer will be D option. Got it? So now let's start the third question. This is a number sense question. Let us see that. Number sense, and they are talking about multiple as well. So in this, we will also use computational. I am a 3-digit number. Okay. So what is a 3-digit number? 3-digit number in which ones place, tens place, and hundreds place. Okay. So that's the 3-digit number. If I will ask you to find the range of 3-digit number. So it will start from 100 and ends with the 999. That is a 3-digit number. And it is a multiple of 6. Okay. It should be a multiple of 6. The sum of digit is 9. Okay. Okay. So what number am I? Okay. If I will tell you, I can also tell you, you can write all the numbers between 100 to 120. This is your first trick. Okay. Write all the numbers, then check कि इसमें से कौन से आपके 6 के multiple है. Multiple of 6 means which can be completely divided with the 6. Okay. फिर आप उनके sum of the digit करो. तो देखा जाए तो ये बहुत लेंथी पड़ जाता है. तो हम क्या करते हैं, अब हम आंसर्स में से चूज कर लेते हैं. देखो इन्होंने बोला sum of the digit will be 9. If you see that all are 9. 1, 2, 7. This is 9. This is also 9. Their sum of the digit is also 9. Sum of the digit is also 9. So second condition is satisfied with in all the values. Fine. अब मुझे फर्स्ट कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करना है, तो मैं क्या करूं? इन्होंने क्या बोला है? It should be a multiple of 6. So how can you find any number is a multiple of 6? तो हम ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में क्या करते हैं? मल्टीपल ऑफ 6 के लिए हमारे पास क्या कंडीशन होती है? It should be a divided by 2 and divided by 3 as well. ये 2 से भी डिविजिबल होना चाहिए और 3 से भी डिविजिबल होना चाहिए, तो वो नंबर अपने आप ऑटोमेटिकली 6 से डिविजिबल होता है. तो इफ यू सी दैट दीज आर ऑड नंबर्स, फाइन. सो ये 2 से डिविजिबल हो ही नहीं सकते. जब ये 2 से नहीं डिविजिबल हो सकते, तो ये किसी भी हालत में 6 से डिविजिबल नहीं हो सकते. सो आई विल कट दिस. सो इट मींस आई हैव 2 ऑप्शंस. ओके. सो बोथ आर सेम. सो ये 2 से भी डिविजिबल है. 2 से डिविजिबिलिटी का क्या रूल होता है? उसके एंडिंग डिजिट विद द इवन नंबर. So these are the ending with the even numbers, so these are divisible by 2. और 3 के लिए क्या डिविजिबिलिटी रूल होता है? हम इनके डिजिट्स को ऐड कर देते हैं. 1 plus 0 plus 8, 9. So 9 is a divisible by 3. So this number is a divisible by 3. If this is divisible by 2 and 3 both, it means it will be divisible by 6. So that's why 108 will be your first answer. Okay. As you can see from the option as well. Fine. Second question. What is the difference between fourth multiple of 9? Fourth multiple of 9 means 4 multiply with the 9. 9 multiply with the 4. Third multiple of 6, 3 multiply with the 6 or 6 multiply with the 3. Okay, third multiple of 6. So 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18. So you can write that one. So 36 minus 18. So answer will be 18. So 108 and 18. That will be our answer. So your answer will be option C. Okay. So in some question, अगर आपको कभी भी आपको कैलकुलेशन में या किसी चीज में स्टेप्स नहीं समझ आते हैं, तो आप आंसर्स में से ऑप्शन चूज करने का स्मार्टली आप उसको हैंडल कर सकते हो उस क्वेश्चन को. ओके. सो लेट्स मूव टू थर्ड पार्ट. यस. द टेबल बिलो शोज द कॉस्ट ऑफ पीनट्स एट स्टॉल P, स्टॉल Q एंड स्टॉल. ओके. देयर आर 3 stalls, stall P, stall Q and stall. Everywhere they were selling peanuts. Okay. And price of the peanuts are different. Okay. So in first stall, they told you the price of 150 per kg, and on the second stall Q, 100 rupees for 600 gram. Third stall are 100 rupees for 700 gram. Which two stalls sell the peanuts at the same price? Okay, now we have to check. Okay, how can we compare? There is a one on one stall they are selling by kg, on another they are selling by 600 grams and 700 grams. We can compare only the cost when we know the exact value, same value. Just like if I know the at every stall, if I know the value of 100 grams or 1 kg, then I can compare which they have the same value, where they will have the same or where they will have the different values. Okay. So what I will do, the main step to do this question is that I have to find the same value. So what I will do, अब मैं हर जगह पे क्या करूंगी, 100 ग्राम्स का प्राइस कर लेती हूँ, तो मेरे लिए इजी हो जाएगा. वन स्टॉल P, स्टॉल Q, स्टॉल R. स्टॉल P में 150 रुपीज था 1000 ग्राम्स का, 1 kg इक्वल टू 1000 ग्राम्स. सो मैं 100 ग्राम्स का फाइंड आउट कर लेती हूँ, क्योंकि कॉमन मेरे पास 100 हंड्रेड्स पड़ रहे हैं सबके. अगर देखा जाए तो ये भी आपके पास 600 ग्राम्स का प्राइस आपको पता है, ये भी आपको 700 ग्राम्स का पता है। तो देखा जाए तो 100 की रेंज इसमें कॉमन आ रही है, तो मैं 100 का पता कर लेती हूँ। सो 150 रुपीज है 1000 ग्राम्स का, तो 100 ग्राम्स का हो गया 15 रुपीज। ओके, स्टॉल पी में। स्टॉल क्यू पे आपको 100 रुपीज मालूम है 600 ग्राम्स का, अगर मुझे 100 ग्राम का मालूम है तो मुझे 6 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा, सो 100/6। सो 6 1 जा 6, 6 6 जा 36, then 4 again 6 6 जा 36, 16 rupees approximately 66 पैसा लाइक दैट। अब 105 रुपीज हमें मालूम है 700 ग्राम्स का। नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द 100 ग्राम्स, सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल डिवाइड 105/7, तो मुझे 100 ग्राम्स का रेट पता चल जाएगा। तो आई विल गेट 7 1 जा 7 7, क्या आ गया आपके पास 15 रुपीज। ये भी 15 है और ये भी 15 है। 100 ग्राम, देखो सब जगह 100 ग्राम्स का रेट पता है हमें, अब सब जगह हमें 100 ग्राम्स की ही कॉस्ट पता है। 100 ग्राम पीनट की कॉस्ट 15 रुपीज है पी स्टॉल पे, क्यू पे है 16 रुपीज 66 पैसा, एंड आर स्टॉल पे है 15 रुपीज पर 100 ग्राम। एवरी स्टॉल वी नो द वैल्यूज ऑफ 100 ग्राम, नाउ वी कैन कंपेयर इट। सो अब हम क्या करेंगे, P और R पे we can see that it will have the same price. So P and R will be your answer. Got it? Let's move to next question now. Now, in a given figure, MON is dash angle. Okay, how many angles do you know? There are 3 types of angle for there. Okay, acute angle, obtuse angle, and right angle. Fine. And one more, straight angle are also there, reflex angles are also there, and full angle is also there. So these total 6 types of angles are there. Okay, because you are in grade 5, so you must know about all these types of angles. So if I'm talking about, so I will compare everything with the right angle. This is, let's suppose this is my right angle. Okay, so what are acute? Less than 90. What are obtuse? More than 90. This is our right angle, 90 degree. What is a straight? This is my straight angle, 90 here, 90 here. It means 180 is a straight angle. Fine. Or if I'm doing reflexive angle, so it is a more than 180. Okay. And just like less than 360, 360 is your full angle. Okay. So these are the 6 angles. So MON, they are talking about MON. Can you see this straight line? Fine. So any angle on the straight line makes up 180 degree straight angle. It is called as a straight angle. So it will be a straight angle. So first option will be straight and straight. So that's why A option is incorrect, C option is incorrect. So straight will be our answer. Fine. Now I'm talking about SOQ. SOQ. If you see that, this is your 90 and it is a less than 90. So it will be acute. So straight and acute. So option B can be your answer. So I will also check the third option. Otherwise, you can write the B answer because there is obtuse here. Now, SOP. SO and P. If you can see that this is a base, so it will be your more than 90. So it will be obtuse angle. So it will be obtuse. So straight, acute, and obtuse. So B option will be your answer. Got it? Let's move to next now. Now we are done with the some question of mathematics. Now I will start the questions of the achiever section. Okay. So let's do that. Match the columns. Okay. What can you see here? This is a question of Roman numbers. Okay. Numbers and Roman numbers. Okay. As you are in grade 5 now. So Roman numbers, you can find some difficult question of Roman numbers as well. So always find the method in one. What is the values? I is for 1. V is for 5. Okay. Then after that, X is for 10. Okay. Learn these values. Okay. Then L is for 50. Then C is for 100. C as a century, 100. Okay. After C, there will be D. D is a 500. And M will be on 1000. Okay. So you can repeat any number maximum 3 times. Fine. Keep this thing in your mind. Okay. This is an important trick to do these questions for the Roman numbers. We can use any number up to 3 times. Okay. If I have to use the 4 number, then I have to use the next method. What is that? Let's suppose I have a, if I will write 1, so 1, 2 is for like this one, 3 is for like this one. If I'm talking about 4 now, so I'm not writing here, not by that. So 4, I will write 5 minus 1. If I'm using on the left hand side, it means I'm subtracting something. So it means 5 minus 1, that's a 4. If I'm using on the right hand side, it means I'm adding someone. So 5 plus 1 is a 6. So that's your 6, that's your 4. Got it? Like this. Ix is 10 minus 1 is 9. Xi is 1, 10. And if I have to use to 30, I can repeat the x, x, x. But if I have to use 40, so I'm not supposed to use x as a 4 times. No. I told you earlier, we cannot write anything maximum up to, we can write only up to 3 times. Okay. So like this, we can use XL. Okay. XL is 50 minus 10, that's a 40. Fine. Okay. And if one more thing, we in here, we cannot repeat L, we cannot repeat D. Why? Because if you see that LL, so 50 plus 50 is 100. So we have already a value for the 100. That's why we are not supposed to use L as a double. We can use X as a double. We cannot use V as a double. Why? Because double V, okay, is equal to 10. So that's already we have a value. Okay. So that's why we are not supposed to use V double, L double, D double, because we have a further value. Fine. So let's start this question now. So I will start with first MCM. M is for 1000, everyone. So I will take first part here. MCM XCIX minus MBXLIX. So M is for 1000. CM, C is on the left hand side. So it will become now 900. XC, X is on the left side of C. So it will become 90 plus 9, right? M is for 1000, 900, X is for 99. So it will become 1999 minus M is for 1000, D is for 500. So 1500, XL is 40 plus 40 plus 9. So 1549. So I will subtract 0, 5, 9 minus 5 is 4. 450. Can you see any value 450? If you write 450, it is a 400 plus 50. 400 means CD plus 50 is your L, CDL. So it means A option belongs to fourth part. A option belongs to fourth part. So it means A and B are incorrect. So out of C or D will be your answer. So let's do the second part. In second part, if I can see that MMXLB. M is M 1000, 1000, 2000, 2040, 2045. Plus M is for 1000, 500, 1500, 1564, right? 1500, that's the LX is 60 and 9. Sorry, this is not for LIX. So that will be 9. So it will becomes 1569, right? If I'm correct, yes, it is a 60 and 9, 69. So let's add them. 9 plus 5 is 14. 4, 6, 10, 1, 11, 1. That's a 6, 2, 1 is 3. Can you see 3614? 3000 for we can 3 times 3000. 600 will become D is 500. C 14 is XIB. Triple M DC XIB. Yes, so it will belong to first part. So B belongs to first part. So if you can see these options, so this is my answer. If you can see directly here. So there is no option because this is the answer correct, but this is incorrect answer. So this will be answer. But I can use the third number as well. MCM. So M is for your, that's your 1000, right? 1000 plus C is for 100, 1100. But sorry, this is a CM. So 1000 plus 900. 1000 plus 900 is a 1900. That's a 50 and 8. 58. So 1958 minus, that's a 1000 and 400, 1400. Okay, this is your 1400. XC is your 90 and 99. 1499. So 1499. So 18 minus 9 is 9 and 14 minus 9 is 5. So and 8 minus 4 is 459. 459 means 450 is your CD and 50 is your L. 9 is your IX. CDLIX. Yeah, so it will be a third option. Okay, everyone. So by that we can find out your C option is the correct answer. By that we can find. Okay, so let's move to next now. Now, which of the following statements is correct? Okay, in this class, grade 5, I think decimal have introduced you, right? Decimal is a new topic which is introduced to you here. Which of the following statement is correct? The fraction 6 by 24 is equal to 0.24. They will asking for the correct statement. Okay. 2 by 25. These are in the mixed fractions. 7 4 by 24 and 1 1 by 50. Let's write this first number is your 6 by 24. Second is 25 to the 50 and 2 is 52 by 24. And third part is your 24 multiply with the 7. So 7 4s are 28, 8, 2 and 7 to the 14 and 2 is 16. Okay, so that will become 7 4s are 28, 2, 7 of 6, 168, 168 plus 4 is 172 by 24. Fine. Next number is 51s are 50 and 1 is 51 by 50. Okay, here I will tell you how will you change the fractions in the decimals. So how will you change? What I can do? I have to make denominators in the multiple of 10. Okay, so it doesn't matter if I will multiply any number to both numerator and denominator. By which number I should multiply to 25 to make it 10, 100, 1000, whatever I can do. I can do that. Okay. So if I will multiply with a 4, easy method is for that. So I'm getting 24 by 100. 6 4s are 25, 6 4s are 24, 25 is. So you can see that it is a 0.24, correct? So if my first answer is a correct, I can see that, yes. But I tell you the next one. So here is also 25. So I will multiply with the 4 as well. So 4 to the 8, 4 5s are 20. Correct? By is 100. So as you can see that there are 2 zeros, so decimal will come after 2. So it will become 2.08. But they have given 2.8. So this is wrong. So if there is a 50, so how I will multiply? I will multiply with the 2 to make it 100. I can make 10. I can make 100. I can make 1000. I can make 10,000. I can use, you have to make denominator in the multiple of 10. That will be the easiest method to do to change the fraction into decimal. So I'm getting 104 by 100. So it will become 1.04. Right? Now I have this term of 24. So by which number I should multiply to make it 24 to make it a just like in a multiple of 10. So if I will divide with the 6, okay, let's suppose it can come in a table of 6, if both are divisible by 6, then it will be easy for me, because 4, if there is a 4, then I can multiply by 25. Okay, so higher I can see that if I will divide with the 2, I am getting 12 here. If I will divide with the 2, so 2 8s are 16 and 6. Again 2, 6 and 43. So 43 by 6. There is no way to do that. So what will you do? Easy method to make it. If you multiply by 100 above and 100 deny, like this one, you can do that. 43 divided with the 6, you can solve this question. So 6 7s are 42. 1. Then I can put 0 here. 0.1, 6, 4, like this one, I can go that. So this is okay. So by if I will do 4 zeros, so I can see that 7.1 and 6 6 is 36. They have written 7.15. That's why this answer is incorrect. Okay, but I can easily see that my first answer is correct. So my option is A option is a correct option. Fine. So if you want to go for further, okay, that is your today I am taking your session. That's why I'm explaining every step here. Okay. Otherwise, you can start with that one. If your A option is correct, you can choose that one. Okay. You can go through the next option as well. Okay. Fine. So let's do the next option now. Next question. Fill in the blanks. Okay. This is a question of mensuration, and these are the very important questions. Okay. The area of figure P. Okay. Area of figure P. What is a figure P? Which shape is this? This one. Which shape can you see here? It is a rectangle. What is the meaning of area? Area means, perimeter means boundary of any shape. Area means just like the inside option. Just like if I'm showing you this one. So what is, we can grow here. That portion is called your area. So area, without going into very details, I can tell you, I can use the direct formula for that. Area is area of rectangle is length into breadth. Okay. So every, and here is, you can see that this is also Q is a rectangle. So that's area is also length into breadth, because they are talking about area here, length into breadth. And this is your square, this is your also rectangle. So this will also length into breadth. Okay. So let's do that. So I will start with the area of figure P. Here is 21 and 14. So what will you do that? 28 multiply with the 14. So 14 8s are 112, 11, 14 2s are 28, 28 and 11 will be 392, right? So first answer is 392, 392, 392, 392. So B cannot be your answer. So I will cut this option now from my account. Fine. So I will go for the second option, area of figure Q. Where is Q? This is a 8 here. If you can see that, everyone, first find this one. They have put this line. What is the meaning of this line? This line means they have equal in length. Okay. Total was 14. If I have divided into two equal portions, so it will become 7, 7. Okay. So it will become 7, 7. Okay. So now it is 7 here. So if I have to find this one, this is already done now. Now it is a 8. If you can see that total is 28 and they have here 2 marks here. So what does this meaning? This meaning is also mean they have in, these are in equal in length. Opposite is 28. So if I have to find two equal portion of 28, that will become 14 and 14. So this is your 14. Okay. So now if I have to find, here is a 8 plus 14, 22 as a length. Okay. And breadth as a 10. So that's a 220. 220 square unit, if it is a centimeters or square centimeter. So 392 and 220. This is also 220. This is also 220. This is also 20. So it means first and two options are correct for everything. Now I'm talking about the R option. What is R? This is your 6. This is 4. If you can see that, this is your 7. So 4 plus 7 is 11. So this is a 6. So 6 into 11, 66. So 66 is here and here. So out of C and D will be my answer. Next is sum of squares of figure, sum of areas of figure P and figure R. What is the area of figure P? P is my 392, right? And R is my PQR. R is, I have done is, this is 66. I will add them. 6 to 8, 9, 6, 15. This is a 458. I have to compare with the figure of R. It is a centimeter more than the figure of Q. So what is the figure of area of figure Q? That's a 220. So I will subtract 220 from it. 8, 3, 4 minus 2, 238. So 238. So it means option D will be my answer. Okay, everyone. So by that way, we are ending our session. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the session. Okay. So best of luck for your next level. And I hope to see you there. Okay. So our classes are also starting from the 2nd of January. Okay. So see you there. Hope to see you there. Thank you very much.